Welcome back. Muslim community celebrated Urus festival in the state on Sunday. The annual festival in the state is celebrated after 10 days of Bakri Eid. It is celebrated in memory of Hazrat Hamza Shah. Many devotees, irrespective of religions, flocked at the Dargah at Beti.
लेते ही नाम ख्वाजा का तूफान हट गया, 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 कश्ती में मेरी आके समंदर सिमट गया, ये तो ख्वाजा का करम है, मेरे ख्वाजा का करम है, ये तो ख्वाजा का करम है, मेरे ख्वाजा का करम है।
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has rapped the state government for failing to implement groundwater regulation. The court has sought a reply from the state government on the present status of groundwater wells and private water tankers registration. The court has directed government to file its reply on Tuesday.
During the hearing of a public interest litigation on Monday, the High Court asked Goa government as to why they have still not registered all the groundwater wells and private water tankers under Groundwater Regulation Act. Later, the court sought a reply from the government regarding a time-bound plan to register all groundwater wells and private water tankers. Court has directed state government to install water meters in the wells. A PIL has been filed before the High Court alleging that the water mafia is operating especially in Vasco area. Petitioner Suresh Kamath contended that hundreds of water tankers are illegally operating in that area in connivance with the government officials. The court has directed government to file its reply on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the CAG reports has already exposed how uncontrolled tourist activity is costing Goa its groundwater. CAG report 2011-2012 has highlighted that uncontrolled tourist activity has led to dropping groundwater levels in Kalangut, Kandori, Anjuna and Baga villages. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Bus operators from Fatorda constituency have condemned Vijay Sardesai's remark on All Goa Bus Owners Association's General Secretary Sudeep Tamankar. Vijay Sardesai had commented over Tamankar being a bus conductor and also being a spokesperson of the Congress party. The bus operators from Fatorda corrected him by saying that Tamankar is not a bus conductor but a General Secretary of Bus Owners Association.
Congress spokesman उलयता की ना ते पार्सेकाराक परिकारान एनिमल हस्बंडरी मिनिस्टर केला म्हणून गोरवांचे रगत मनशाक घालत न्हू. So this is a serious issue. One cannot fool around with these issues. And Congress should actually introspect who its spokesman should be. Because you cannot have a bus conductor as a spokesman talking on issues like blood. These are serious issues which affect the health of people.
आज विजय सरदेसायान विसर्जन कितें की तो आमगेलो ऑल गोवा प्रायवेट बस ओनर्स एसोसिएशन सुदीप तामणकर जनरल सेक्रेटरी आहा आनी तो कंडक्टर न्हू बसीचो तो आमगे ओनर बस ओनर आनी एक बस ओनर आसल्या कारणान ताका तें उगडास आसोत नासोत कोणा विजय सरदेसाया ताका लागून ताका हें उगडास करून दिवपा लागून हें केलां. आनी सेकेंड थिंग म्हणलें जाल्यार आयज फातोर्डा मतदारसंघान भितर कितलेशे बसकार आहा बस ऑपरेटर्स आहा तेणी विसरची न्हू हे बसकारांलो मोठो योगदान आहा ताका हें इलेक्शन निवडून हाडून दिवपा लागून जाल्यार तेणी विसरची न्हू.
State Police Complaint Authority has directed Goa Police Department to start disciplinary proceeding against DYSP Gajanan Prabhudesai for delaying in registering FIR. SPCA has found Gajanan Prabhudesai guilty of negligence in a case when he was PI of Maina Kurtori Police Station.
State Police Complaint Authority in its order has directed Goa Police Department to start disciplinary proceedings against DYSP Gajanan Prabhudesai within 3 months from now. SPCA has also directed to complete the proceedings within 1 year. SPCA has also asked to submit status report of disciplinary proceeding before them every 3 months. SPCA has found DYSP Gajanan Prabhudesai prima facie guilty of negligence. When Gajanan Prabhudesai was PI of Maina Kurtari police station, he had taken 21 days to register an FIR after receiving a complaint. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.